Let's dive right into this 10-minute morning energy boost workout. We're going to get your heart pumping and your body moving, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Remember, the goal here is to energize you, so let's keep it fun and effective. First up, we'll start with a quick warm-up. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Let's do some arm circles. Start small and gradually make them bigger. This gets the blood flowing and loosens up those shoulders. Now, switch directions. Feel that stretch. Great. Just a few more seconds. Now, let's move into some high knees. Bring those knees up to your chest, pumping your arms as you go. This is a fantastic way to elevate your heart rate. Keep your core engaged and breathe through it. You got this. Let's push for 30 seconds. Feel that energy building. Next, we'll transition into jumping jacks. They're classic for a reason. Jump out wide, arms overhead, then back to the starting position. Keep a steady rhythm. If you need to modify, step out instead of jumping. Just keep moving. We're aiming for 30 seconds here, so keep that energy up. Now, let's hit the ground for some push-ups. You can do these on your knees if you need to. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself down and push back up. Focus on your form. We'll do 10 push-ups together. Ready? Let's go. After those push-ups, flip over for some quick sit-ups. Engage your core as you lift your upper body towards your knees. Let's do 15 of these. Remember to breathe out as you come up. You're building strength and endurance with every rep. Now let's get back on our feet for some lateral lunges. Step to the side, bending one knee while keeping the other leg straight. Alternate sides. This works your legs and glutes while improving flexibility. Let's do 10 on each side. Feel that stretch and strength. Next, we'll do some mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and drive your knees towards your chest, alternating quickly. This is a great way to boost your heart rate and core strength. Let's go for 30 seconds. Keep that pace steady. Now, let's cool it down a bit with some gentle stretches. Reach for the sky, then bend forward to touch your toes. Hold that stretch for a few seconds. Feel the release in your back and hamstrings. Now let's bring one arm across your body and hold it with the other arm. Switch sides. This helps with recovery and flexibility. Finally, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension. You've just completed a quick yet powerful workout that's sure to energize your day. Remember, consistency is key. If you enjoyed this workout, consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with friends. Your feedback is valuable, so drop a comment below about how you felt. Keep moving, and let's make every morning count.